Hi! In front of me is ULEFONE Note 13P, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize theme of your keyboard on this device. First of all, click on Devices Settings and tap on System section. Now you need to select Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard, and Gboard. Then select Theme over here, scroll down and click on Show More at the bottom right corners. After that, click on the best theme for you. I will go with that one. Manage key borders thanks to this sweater, and when you're ready, select Apply. When I go back, as you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed. But you can always go into exactly the same settings and customize it by selecting this plus icon under My Themes. Now tap on the photo that you wish to apply, pinch it to scale and drag it to move. When you're ready, select Next and adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Finally, click on Done, manage key borders thanks to this switcher and select Apply. If you wish to edit your keyboard, you can do that by clicking on it, tapping on this pen icon, and making all of your changes. Then select Apply again. Now when I go back, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!